In recent years, sustainable finance has gained considerable momentum and set records. The appetite in the ecosystem to raise funds via green finance has increased, and 2021 was one of the record years when it came to raising funds via green ways. Let's break this down first. Green bonds are fixed income instruments which are used to finance or refinance projects that have environmental benefits, and this would include projects like renewable energy, energy efficiency, sustainable agriculture, to name a few. Then there are social bonds, which look to address social challenges. So this would include something like creating affordable infrastructure. There is health and education matters as well. Sustainability bonds are the ones that finance projects which achieve both environmental and social benefits. And then we have sustainability linked bonds, which are also used for issuers' general financing need, but are also linked to issuer achieving predefined ESG goals. So they are basically performance linked. And then we have climate transition bonds, which are basically financing solutions for climate change and low carbon economy as well. Let's now try to understand, where does India stand here? The Green, Social and Sustainability Bond segment. Let's call it GSS for ease. India is the 19th largest GSS market globally, 6th in the APAC region. India is one of the only 8 countries in the region to boast issuance under all 3 GSS themes, and issuance amounts in the GSS segment has gone up by 585% on a YY basis. If we look at the amount in 2021, total amount raised in $19.5 billion, largely led by green bonds, followed by sustainability and then social. And of course, highest issuers, that is 72 in green bonds, followed by social, which is still at a nascent stage, and then sustainability, taking the total number to 75. 75% of the issuance came from the private sector. Non-financial corporates comprise the largest issuer type by volume, that is $12.6 billion, and the number of deals as well. That is followed by government-backed entities at $4 billion and financial corporates at $2 billion in amount. The composition of the market has evolved, with corporates leading the charge now. Development banks last raised money via green mode in 2015, with Export-Import Bank raising $500 million. And local governments entering the market in 2021, with Nagar Nigam Ghaziabad raising $20 million. One of the reasons for so much action is also the fact that deal size is increasing. In India, it was at $300 million in 2021 versus $156 million in 2020. And this increase largely came in from Adani Green and Greenco via green bonds in 2021. This takes me to the subheads, the G, S and S of the GSS themes. Let's start with green bonds. The green theme has the lion's share of the Indian GSS market at 89%. In 2021, total issuance from green bonds was around $7 billion, which is around 37% of the total green bond issuance so far in India of $18.9 billion. And in 2021, it was led by Adani Green Energy's fundraise. And cumulatively, it is Renew Power that leads the chart. 1/3 of the 74 green bond deals so far took place in 2021 itself. Companies that have raised funds via green bonds include Azure Power, there is Power Finance Corporation, Vector Green Energy, Renew Energy, Greenco, IRFC, to name a few, and it is largely done for the renewable energy space, with 90% deals in that space, followed by transport and very small amount for buildings and water. Now about the SNS or Social and Sustainability Bonds, more recent entrants into the label debt market in India. Indiabulls Housing Finance kicked off the segment with a $48 million social bond in 2018, followed by another from Shriram Transport Finance Company at $500 million and the maiden sustainability bond from Axis Bank or Gift City at $600 million in 2021. The total market size is $1.1 billion. In the sustainability-linked bond space, we have a lot of listed names. The issuance is $1.2 billion, with likes of JSW Steel that has raised $500 million, Ultratech Cement that has raised $400 million, and Adani Electricity Mumbai has raised $300 million to achieve renewable energy targets. So clearly, a lot of interest in the green financing space, and there are more opportunities as push towards renewable energy, clean energy, and climate technology only increases.